Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this lip balm from the brand rawsugar. It's the natural lip balm in the lemon sugar scent. And I actually redeemed Ipsy points for this, so I got this in my April 2021 glam bags. But so I am not familiar with this brand rawsugar, but I was looking them up online and it seems like such an awesome brand that has such a range of products, and I love a natural type of product. And even the packaging on this I really like, and it's a bigger sized lip balm. So let's see, which is the cap? Yep, this end is the cap, and then it just twists up. I get a very light fragrance, like a little lemon, like a lemon drop candy. And if you're familiar with me and my channel and my videos, you know that I always complain about my dry lips. So I love trying out lip balms and seeing just how nourishing and hydrating they really are. So let's just go right ahead and see how this is on my lips. It has like a little bit of an uneven texture, so I have like little pieces coming off on my lips. Now that it's on my lips, I get a little bit more of that lemon scent, but it's a very faint smell. I kind of wish it was a little bit more potent. But I mean, classic, normal lip balm application. But it definitely feels really nice on my lips and immediately moisturizing, and that's what I really look for in a lip balm. I want it to, pretty much as soon as it's on my lips, get rid of any chapped areas, any chapped texture, just smooth out and hydrate my lips, and that's exactly what this did. And you can see the way it looks on my lips. It doesn't have shine. It's a very natural finish, which I think is great for someone that maybe doesn't want to look like they're wearing a product on their lips, but they have chapped lips, so they need to put something on them, but they don't want to look like they're wearing lip gloss or something like that. Like, for example, like my boyfriend, like he could use this, and I mean, it wouldn't be like, hey, are you wearing a gloss? No, you can't even tell there's a product on his lips. So this really is what I was expecting and hoping for. I also forgot to mention that this retails for $4.99. I saw that you can get it at Target. They have a bunch of different flavors. So I'm really into this and I want to try out more from this brand. I saw like soaps, body care type of products. So if you have any recommendations of products that you've tried out from rawsugar, definitely let me know in the comments down below. But I love learning about new brands like this through Ipsy, and this is definitely a lip balm that I will probably throw in my purse just so quickly and easily, completely hydrate my chapped lips. Like, my lips feel so much better now. So thank you so much for watching this quick video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.